Couple extra seconds. Hey everybody, and welcome to Robin's House. Today I'm working on the Life in Bloom scrapbooking workshop, and the optional technique is coloring pearls with Stampin' Blends. How fun is that? So it says down here that you want to get your Blackberry Bliss Stampin' Blends combo. I chose the dark one because the dark is very pretty. And it says iridescent pearl basic jewels. Well, I chose to use antique pearls instead. They're a little bigger for scrapbooking pages, and I just like them. So the first thing you're going to do is you want to get a surface where you can get it messy. And you're going to grab your Stampin' Blend and your pearls, and you're just going to just color them. So I have found, I think, that if you color them just lightly, they will be nice and shiny. And if you color them too much, they come kind of flat. So depending on the look you're looking for, I'm going to try to go super fast, but I also want to get the edges, the sides, because I don't want white lines coming off the bottom of my gems. So, but you can see this is super fast, super easy, and stinking cute. And so then it is time to put your gems on your layout. So in the guide, it has the assembly page, but then here at the bottom, it shows you where the gems would be. So there's usually 3 to 5 on each page. And so we've got our first page here. And we've got 3 gems up here by the bells and 2 gems down here, just like the guide said. And then on the second page, a couple gems down here in the corners. So how much cuter is that with this little pops of purpley red color coming out of there? Just love it. So hope you try that out. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.